The Bean Tech Solutions continues the unboxing and assembly of his rig. Ladies and gentlemen, this is when I plug in the power to the Aywun PSU. I'll show you guys that the 1080 Ti right there has finished its job as a gaming / mining GPU on my main rig, my gaming PC, and it's now in the mining rig. So I now have a 1080 Ti and a 2080 Super. And the 1080 Ti is going to be quite, low noise, so to speak, eerily quiet. I plugged in the second riser. That should do it justice. I fixed a ProTech screwdriver. I've had to move it over a slot because it was literally over the CPU heatsink. It didn't fit over the CPU heatsink. Plus I've had to spin the connector, or in this case the riser, completely. For these GPUs to work, however, they only need to be in by-one configuration. PCIe slot number 2. So just move this over. Right there. There we go. I'll clean up the rat's nest later, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'll do is I'll get my supplier of PC components to help me with the cleanup of this thing. Whee! Oh, wait. There we go. It's just screwing into paint, that's why it's harder to turn, ladies and gentlemen, just FYI. There we go. Solid. Okay, this computer is now, well, this rig is now fully ready to go. It just needs an external PSU to power the GPUs, and there will be 4 of them in total on this rig. One here and another here. I'll be going with 3 by the time I'm done with the 1080 Ti. When it becomes non-supported by mining software, such as the high voice operating system I have installed in this Acer SA100 here. As soon as it is done being supported, I'll be swapping that out with another 5060. I'll be putting 3 low-profile 5060s on here, and they are about 110 watts each. So they're not even going to break a sweat. And this RTX 2080, Super by the way, has just got a loud fan BIOS flashed onto it. So this mining rig, I'm going to have to find what its operating system is. Because on my working computer, if I go to the HiVoice website, it'll tell me to log in on the device I created the this installation on. So that is unfortunate, but I'll have to keep the operating system's IP address untouched. So in the event I get a replacement board, I don't change the IP address. If I end up still using my laptop's drive in my main system, which I'm going to pull it out now. But ladies and gentlemen, that's ready to go. All I need to do is turn her on and see how she performs as soon as I get a secondary PSU, which will be a ASGold, I think it is, ASGold P100D, or is it a Corsair P100D? I'm not sure. Incoming unboxing for that PSU. I've been the Royal Australian, also known as Nick from the Bean Tech Solutions. If you guys need a service, there is a link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.